Hello, YouTube and fellow Bitcoin enthusiasts, and welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. Yesterday, we predicted the largest dollar move in history from our closing wedge. We had us as a triangle because we were aiming for the upside, but we also set a bearish target if we broke this line. So that, of course, is the same because we were putting up basically a triangle to from the 35,000. But we hit our target perfect down here. And today, my friends, today Bitcoin is again going to make its largest move in history, at least in terms of dollar price. And let's see what that move will be. We have from this closing wedge here, we're going to see the largest move in Bitcoin history in dollar price. And it's depending on where we break the wedge, it's either going to be up at, but yeah, let's assume we go all the way to the end. So it's either going to be above the 35,000 at 35,800, or the bearish target is going to be all the way down at 26,000. So this will be a very exciting 30 hour for Bitcoin. And last night or yesterday we had some huge moves like this candle here, like you never seen before. It's I think it's a 3,000 hourly candle. It seems to me some whales are playing with the peps, trying to shake out the market. So we have, what I'm guessing they're doing is they're dumping a lot of coins and trying to push the price down below 30,000, and then they start buying it back up again. That's I think they're trying to shake out some people. And that's why we see these huge dumps and this huge volatility. It's whales or institutional investor playing with the peps. Um, Peps normally get eaten for breakfast, so just know that. But they seem to be trading up and down here in this huge closing wedge. So there isn't too much to say. Bitcoin is trading at very simple signals now. So this closing wedge here, it should either break to the upside or to the downside, and the movement is going to be huge, largest one we have seen yet to date. So I think that is all I can say for now. We can say a little bit about, we're now kind of in neutral territory, a little bit to the bearish side. Um, but we do form this M pattern here. Let's draw that just for everyone to know. So because this is kind of a bearish M pattern, but we do have a higher high, so it's not so bearish as an M pattern with kind of a lower high than this one. That would be more bearish, but it's still an M pattern, so that should be respected. But we went a little bit under here, but we can also kind of treat this as a triangle, because we are at this psychological level. So let's keep that in mind as well. That this might be a triangle of the 30,000. We might get some support there. As you see, we wick down here one time, two times, three times. So yeah, we shouldn't really do this, but yeah, I will also put a line here. And we do have a safety line. Remember this line? We call this our safety line in the previous videos. And look what happened. Look what happened. How beautiful it hit. It just wigged down to the safety line and then it bounced back up. So this is the breakout line from the 20K. And then further down, we have another safety line, which is the breakout of the 12K, like the trend from the rising trend from 12K. So it's very hard for me to see Bitcoin going under 20K in the immediately short term. It might dump, it might go down to our target. Where did we set it? Around 26,000. Um, I wouldn't short. I mean, if you short on leverage and you know what you're doing, yeah, by all means, go ahead. But it's your decision, and we need to make this more straight like this, and then we can see, because that's a scenario that might play out, that we actually get this form of triangle. So if you're on the short side of this bet, which I don't really recommend in a major uptrend, but with these huge movements, yeah, maybe, just maybe. I won't do it. Um, then we might get a bounce here. Keep that in mind. If you do take the short there, keep in mind we can have a bounce at the 30,000. We can. Just because it's such a psychological level. So I think that's all I have to say for today's video. Besides, yeah, we do also have a M here. So that there we have this kind of more bearish M that I talked about, like high and then lower high and then to the downside. And then of course, it's the height of the M is also the target. So that was another trading signal. So there were two big trading signals here that kind of sent the Bitcoin plummeting. First, the break of the closing wedge, and then the M as well. So it was just Bitcoin didn't have a chance. And now we have another M, but we seem to be doing all right for now. We at least bounced a little bit. We're not quite in neutral territory. We're a little bit more to the bearish side still, and there's a red candle here. So we will just have to wait and see. Bitcoin trades at such easy signals now, huge movement. So best of luck, and remember, you are always the responsible for your trading. And let's go grab our free Bitcoins. You just click I'm not a bot, and then you click roll, and then you win. Yay, 6 Satoshi. I'm gonna be a millionaire. But if you believe like me that Bitcoin is going to 50 or 500,000, 2 million, 3 million, then yeah, that might be some money one day. So you might just go grab it for free. I'll leave a link in the description if you want. So I'm gonna bid you a very nice day and best of luck in your trading. And I hope you make a lot of money. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.